How to get assistance to track a lost or stolen phone using its IMEI number. So the first thing is get hold of a laptop or a PC or an Android device and you open any browser, Chrome, Firefox. Once you do that, just do a search for CEIR, click on the first option, and you get directed to this page. So if you are a person who has bought a smartphone in India, has an IMEI number serviced in India, this is going to work for you. So CEIR is basically a department in India that helps you to track lost or stolen phones, basically Android and Apple devices. So if you have misplaced your phone, you could directly get onto ceir.gov.in. Click on this link. You click on the first option, block stolen or lost mobile phone. You get directed to this page. Once you're here, you need to fill up this form. So the first thing is you need to put in your mobile phone number. This is the mobile phone number which was lost. I'm very much sure after you have misplaced your phone, you filed in an FIR and you've got a duplicate SIM with the same number. Put in the number out here. So this is basically going to be the number that was actually misplaced and you replaced it. Okay, or got a new SIM with the same number issued for yourself. You put in the IMEI number for the lost phone. So if you have the bill or the box for the lost phone, you could get the IMEI number from there and put that in out here. If you do not, you could get to Find My Device and get your IMEI number from there. It's very simple. Select your device brand name, whatever brand name it is, put in the model and upload the invoice. It's not necessary you have to upload the invoice, but if you have one, that is going to be fantastic. Okay, scroll down. Now putting in the lost information, put in the place, the date when you misplaced it, select your state and basically put in everything out here. And the most important thing is the FIR. So after you misplace your phone, you should be filing in an FIR to the local police station, or you should file in a missing complaint. After you do that, you get a copy or a receipt from the police department. You upload that receipt or a copy of that missing complaint out here, which was tested by them, which is approved by them. You scroll down a bit more and put in your information out here. Put in your name, your address, you could upload your ID proof and, put in your ID number and everything, solve the captcha, put in the mobile phone number, get the OTP, checkbox this, click on submit. So here what you're doing is basically giving in all your personal information about your phone and some information about where and when did you lose your phone. After you complete this form and submit it, you're going to get a request ID. You need to keep that request ID for your future reference. That is going to help you unblock your phone later if your phone is found. This department is basically going to try and search for your phone online or offline or whatever it is, whatever system they have. If they find their phone, they notify you about it, they give you a call or they send you an email, then you could get back to this website and unblock the phone again. You could click on this link, get a drop down, click on unblock found mobile phone. So you put in the request ID that you had received earlier, put in your mobile phone number and select a reason for unblocking. Okay, recovered by police, found by self, blocked by mistake, whatever it is. Okay, select the reason, solve the captcha, put in your mobile phone number, get an OTP and you submit it. Within a couple of hours, your phone is going to get unblocked. Now, this is very systematic. You lose your phone, you file in a complaint, you wait for a specific time period. If you get it back, you go ahead and unblock your phone. But I'm not going to give you any guarantee that your phone is going to be traced out, right? But you could at least give it a try to find your phone. Give my video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.